Hey friends, I want to show you the Arm& Hammer pooper scooper we bought when we got our puppy. I like it so much that I'm doing this sponsored post for it. This set comes with a swivel bin and attachable rake. This design makes it so easy to use. One of the best features are the biodegradable waste bags that fit in the bin. It comes with two, and then you can order a box of 20 online. Let me show you how to attach the bag. Just place the bag inside the bin, then pull the handles down and attach them to the hooks at the very outside bottom. Then, on the flat side of the bin, you want to pull the remaining bag edge over and secure it. I love how sturdy this bin is, and that I'm able to use it to scoop the poo on our grass or on the gravel in our planters. Let me show you how easy it is to handle. I also love that I can stand the bin and rake up against the wall to store it. I highly recommend this Arm & Hammer pooper scooper because it is so easy to use, and being able to line it with the bag seems much more sanitary to me.